Well, that wraps up our extended weather coverage for the noon hour. Welcome back. Sure hope you're staying warm and cozy this afternoon. And you know, as we leave the holidays behind, your guests may have left a little bit of a mess. Michael Cardamone is here to tell us how you can clean those messes in a hurry without breaking the bank. Michael?
Well, the holidays are over. How is your house looking? If it's a mess like mine, well, all you have to do is give COIT a call. They clean everything for you. Joining us, Rick Schaefer from COIT, along with Mark. How are you guys doing?
Doing well, thank you for having us.
I've seen your commercials. I've always wondered, what does COIT clean?
COIT cleans all types of commercial and residential, carpet, upholstery, area rugs, window treatments, and air duct cleaning.
So I'm assuming that, especially this time of year after the hustle and bustle of the holidays, you get a lot of phone calls.
We have a lot of Christmas tree spills, wine spills, coffee stains.
Well, how easy is it, before we give you a call,
Yes.
there's a lot of people out there like myself that like to do it myself. How easy is it?
I would recommend it. It's really very easy. Go to our COIT.com website. We have probably over 100 videos that you can actually see, depending on the type of spot or the stain that you have. And you can then click on that video and it will tell you how to remove that particular type of stain.
And I've never heard of anything like that. So would you say that that's the biggest thing that sets yourself apart from all the other cleaning companies?
To my knowledge, we're the only company that's ever took the initiative to do something like that.
Well, Mark was so kind to spill some coffee on the rug while we were talking, and you could see the stain right there. Now, how do we get this out? Please tell me.
The first thing to do is blot. You want to get all the excess out as much as you can ahead of time. And the best product, home remedy-wise, to neutralize coffee is vinegar, white vinegar.
Okay.
Apply the vinegar, and it should neutralize it before it sets in the stain. And just continue to blot, get as much out as you can. If you're not successful, you know who to call.
That's when you give COIT a call. So it's coffee, soda, wine, basically the same tips. And just show it right there.
Stain is gone.
Look, wow. I wish I would have called you guys a little while ago. Hey, real quick, you have a huge sale going on this week only.
That's
Tell
correct.
everyone what it is.
It's 50% off of all of our services. So carpet, upholstery, area rugs, tile and grout, and air duct cleaning.
That's a huge sale. 800 for COIT. Go to COIT.com for all their information. Rick, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mark, I appreciate it. Thank you.